Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great granddad's day. It's nighttime. Feathers up, by the way. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. I'm up. Can y'all see my hair? Yeah, I got a new hairstyle. Did a 2-strand twist split down the middle. You dig? You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see it better as the light comes. They put up more lights. I ain't walked this way in a long time, yo. I swear to God. Y'all probably know this for the videos, but even though we doing like multiple uploads a day, so hey, you dig what I'm saying? Oh, they got new signs? Okay, they must be getting... Alright. But look though. Okay, y'all see the feathers up? Yeah, America Pride. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You know what I'm saying? Daily uploads. You dig? Yeah. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us on Instagram. If you're not following us there already, I don't know why not. You know, we got awesome courses too. If you guys want to start a business, if you guys do have one, or if you guys don't have one and you further want to enhance yourselves, you know, we got that link in the description box for you guys. As well as our one-of-a-kind artwork, and as well as our amazing apparel we got for sale for you guys, all right? But yeah, man, I was just walking. It's a human night, I'll tell you that. I was walking and I said to myself, I'm like, you know, cause I'm going to get some, go to the grocery store. I'm going to get some food, and I'm thinking like, yo, I'm like, you know, I don't need food. And I think I noticed that. And I'm really rather grateful for that. Like, I don't like have a need for food, but it's like I want food because one, I think I have some more energy. I'll be able to be more I can use it to benefit myself as far as doing some type of works and things, you know, getting things done or whatnot. Because you guys know, you know, you guys don't know, when you fast, you do detox. You detox and whatnot. And when you detox, you could be able... Wow, that was the quietest I've ever heard this street for a second. I guess around this time. But like I said, I haven't gone. Feels like I haven't walked this way in a long time. But yeah, like I was saying, yo. But you know, you detox, you know, as you get you know, you fasting, and then by you detoxing, you know, when you fast, your body has less energy than what it usually have. You dig what I'm saying? Right. But I said, if I have more energy, and plus I'm doing a lot of days, I'm aiming for 5 uploads today. 5 uploads a day, but even if I do miss days, I have to re-upload. Like, I was supposed to do 10 because I think I had 8 and I had 7, and then I just have to get them more uploaded onto YouTube because I had the videos done, but it's on the computer. I think it's because, you know, I explained that it's on YouTube settings that, you know, because of it's downloaded. It's downloaded. I have to keep it. I gotta re-upload it or whatnot. But yeah, like I was saying, man, it's really great, you know, to be able to have this stuff, like, you know, just kind of have the ability, you know, to heal and whatnot. It really is, because I feel like with us fasting, you dig what I'm saying? With us fasting, we can heal ourselves, and then as well as, you know, restoring the body as far as, you know, be able to hydrate yourself and whatnot. I don't have much of a necessity on what food and water as others may have. And really, you gotta say that. And I'm not saying I'm not against it, you know. But the thing is, I think what people have to question is, what is their food? What is their food? You dig? What is their food? What is their water? Because what is your water? And I say that right now because I live in Flint, Michigan. I'm based in Flint, Michigan at the time right now. You dig? So what is that? Let's see this sign. They got signs. But yeah, like I was saying, man. Yeah, what is your water like? Cause I'm based in Flint, Michigan, and the water here, you can't drink the water out the sink. It's poison. And you got this Governor Pale bitch. She's talking about she wants to put jail people for not wearing a mask. I ain't wearing a mask, nigga. Stupid ass people. And I mean, yet they're releasing people from jail and prison. And that's like, jails and private prisons, they're like corporations, you dig? And it's like one with them, they don't want to be held liable. So no matter what crime you committed, or they said you committed for, if you are held them liable, they will release you. So they don't want to be held liable, you dig? And there's a lot of stuff too that goes on with prisons is that, they're involuntary indentured servants, slaves, they test a lot of drugs and medicines on them. And what they do, they often get sick from it. And there's been times that they get sick from it. And before they're about to die from the injections that they're giving and the pills and the drugs that they're giving them, they'll release them. They don't care less. They can care less about their sentence now. They'll release them just so they won't be held liable. You dig? I know that part's rather wicked. I just think we need to turn up, change about who we are, who's in those prisons, if we're gonna be investing in us. You dig what I'm saying? But as far as like, and wouldn't that be like, if you're the governor of Michigan, wouldn't that be the main concern is that, hey, if these people right here, they have no access to clean drinking water in the city of Flint, wouldn't it be my main priority in order to fix their water issue? No, you're not gonna do that, no? What the frick are you being a governor for? And I was actually at Walmart too. Y'all remember? Y'all saw the store. Y'all saw the video when I was at Walmart. As and I was in the subway, the plaza. But this before I was checking out. I was overhearing. This is what happened over here. I was actually fasting then too. Yeah, I was doing my dry fast. So that's probably why it stood out even more. But there's this one of this worker, the self checkout. She like, oh, okay. She like, She like, oh, okay. Something like, oh yeah, my son, he said he had to go to Walgreens or whatever, and they didn't have a mask, so he used this other lady's mask, but that she had used it, but he flipped it on the other side, and he put it on his mouth and his face, and it wear it in. I'm like, and he's like, oh my gosh, I wanted to kill him. I'm like, you're gonna, I'm like, what type of dumbass, bitch ass, foul stuff is that? You got these motherfuckers breathing, coughing, huffing, growling. You know what I'm saying? Really, it really be growling. A lot of it be growling when they breathe because they're so unhealthy. They're so unhealthy. And, there's always with us stuff that we can improve on ourselves. So, not to be hypocritical, but I mean, these people are like disgusting. Their body is really rather increasingly destructive, most definitely. So it's like he put that on his face just because he was scared to get something. I'm like, man, frick that, nigga. I'll go to another freaking store. Get your bitch ass out of my face, nigga. You think I'm gonna put some freaking saliva, somebody else's foul saliva? This is unclean and dumbass people, like stupid ass stuff, man. I mean, but like I've been saying this too, like This right here is a gift. It's an opportunity. You can see how people really are, man. You can see how people really, really are, man. Oh, it's Halloween. I'm like, what the frick? I see got them Halloween stores open up on a Halloween sign or something. But it's like, I'm like, you see all this dumbass people, man. Like all these people who said, oh, I don't trust the government, the government this, the government. Yeah, bet your ass snapped like a dog and put that mask on, did you, bitch? Huh? Talking about dumbass motherfuckers, man. Motherfuckers be talking. This right here is showing your action. This right here is showing your action. About to walk in the store, still no mask. So here we go. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You can do that by sending us a DM at Healing Through Inspiration. All right, you dig? Make sure you have a great one. Y'all good with the link to the description box. We got courses for y'all down there. Great apparel, one-of-a-kind artwork, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go check us out. Support us. We support you. You dig? Peace, love, and light.